Hello guys, I hope you're all fine and I hope you're all doing great in your working experience and working space. So today's topic is about how we can deploy our React application in netlify.com. So let's going to start our tutorial. So I have already created an app with a command create react app, and it's a basic structure. And now what we're going to do is we are going to create, or I'm going to create a repo in my GitHub account. So let's start. I creating a repo and react netlify.web. Let me take, yeah, it's have a legal name. So creating react repo, and after that I will connect this repo URL with our React application. So let's go to, I already deployed, we had a command which will change the URL of our kit with new. So I'm just copying the URL and paste it with it. So I hope you know about the setup of GitHub, GitHub with any repo with our code. So, or if you don't, please check out my video on GitHub, how we can set URL, how we can delete, how we can create branches, and much more on the given description link. So we have set a repo. Let me check it. Remote -v. Yes, and I just get fetch to get branch, and after that we will just push our code on this repo. We'll put the code on this repo, and you have to create an account which is simply just going to connect with Gmail or Twitter or and GitHub, anything you want. So I just collaborate with GitHub this account, and yeah, the branch is pushed. Now we see the code is pushed on our repo. Apart from that, we will do a simple new site from Git, and in that we will open our Git. It will authorize our account. Let me see. Yeah, it will authorize our account, and it will make permission to install the Git in our Netlify account. So we have successfully installed Git in our Netlify account, and my code is also pushed on successfully repo. So on that it will tell me to see what repo. So I have copied the repo. No, so I just copy the repo name and it paste it on this search repo. It will find me the repo, and we will connect this repo with our Netlify account. Finally we got a repo, so I'll click on it and just so basically it's I'm giving a branch which we want to deploy. So I have only one branch which is master, so I select the master branch, and just you have to click on the deploy site. So it will automatically deploy the site. It will initiate the process, and you can see the site deploying in process, and in just few minutes you will get your deployment, and you will successfully host your website on a server. So basically I have already deployed this website, React basic application website with on this URL, but I have deleted it for making another server, so it will not re-render. If I choose to refresh it, yes, not found, because I deleted earlier this URL. So that when your site is in process, you can set up your custom domain. It will charge maybe $10 to $15 on, and after that you can also install the HTTPS certificate on it, so you have a more security on it, and much more you can do it. You can plugins, deployments. You see you have analytic tools in Netlify, where you can see the traffic on your website. You can split the traffic on your website. Yeah, the successfully deployed on this URL. Let me open it and see if it's okay to run or not. if I go to site setting, it will tell me owner name, IP, ID, and much more. I can change the site name if it allow me. Let me take Zain Ahmed. Let me take it Zain Ahmed and save it. If it allow me to, yeah, my site is deployed on Netlify URL. Let me take okay, so now my site URL is, so I have successfully installed our first React application on the server with Netlify with the URL zan-ahmed.netlify.app. So that's all from my side. If you like my video, please like, comment and share with others, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.